What if I told you that your success on keto has less to do with carbs and more to do with the conversations happening in your own mind every single day? Because here's the truth. Most people don't fall off keto because they don't know what to eat. They fall off because of what they're thinking. And those thoughts quietly shape how they feel and ultimately what they do next. If you can understand and manage that connection, everything about your keto journey starts to feel easier, more consistent, and a whole lot more sustainable. Let me break this down into three powerful shifts you can start using right away. First, you've got to recognize that your thoughts drive your feelings, and your feelings drive your behaviors. This is huge. Think about a moment when things didn't go your way. Maybe the scale didn't move, or you had something off plan. If your immediate thought is, this isn't working, or I messed everything up, what happens next? You feel frustrated, discouraged, maybe even defeated. And from that emotional state, it becomes really easy to justify giving up for the rest of the day, or even longer. But here's the key. It wasn't the situation that caused the setback. It was the thought about the situation. When you start catching that in real time, you gain control. That awareness alone can change everything. Second, you want to learn how to challenge and reframe those negative thought patterns. Because let's be honest, those automatic thoughts can feel very real. Things like, I don't have the discipline, or I always mess this up, or this is too hard. But just because a thought shows up doesn't mean it's true, and it definitely doesn't mean it's helpful. What I encourage people to do is pause and ask, is there a better way to look at this? For example, instead of I blew my diet, try I made one choice that didn't align with my plan, and my next choice can. That simple shift might not seem like a big deal, but it changes your emotional state from guilt to control, and that keeps you moving forward instead of spiraling. And third, this is where the magic really happens. You begin to build awareness and consistency over time. This isn't about being perfect. It's about catching yourself a little earlier each time. It's about responding instead of reacting. The more you practice this, the more it becomes second nature. Just like your body adapts to burning fat on keto, your mind can adapt to thinking in a way that actually supports your goals instead of sabotaging them. And when that happens, you stop relying on willpower alone and start building real, lasting confidence. So if you've been feeling stuck, if you've been starting and stopping, or if you know what to do but just can't seem to stay consistent, this might be the missing piece for you. It's not just about the food, it's about the mindset behind the food. If this resonated with you and you want more simple, practical strategies to make keto easier and more sustainable, make sure to head over to my YouTube channel and subscribe. I share tips, tricks, and real-world hacks to help you stay on track, build momentum, and actually enjoy the process. You've got this, and I'll see you in the next video.